Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about find the value of sin2x. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that sin2x, that is about 2 sin x cosine x. So right now we have sin x. Now we need to find about cosine x. The next one, we have cosine x squared plus sin x squared equals to number 1. Now we want to find about cosine x, and we just already know about sin x. So I will put sin x squared go to the right. Next, we see that they are in quadrant number 1. That means cosine x should be greater than number 0. Now we put the square root for the both sides, and we just choose about cosine x equals to the positive square root 1 minus sin x squared. And now we put sin x 4/9 go in here. So we calculate about this one. That is about the square root of 65/9. So we have this one in here. Sin x we have 4/9. And cosine x, that is about this one. And we have the final answer. That is about number 8 with the square root 65/81. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.